Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm bringing you guys my in-store Walgreens haul. I'm going to be using some of those really good coupons that I hope everybody was able to clip before they disappeared. So first I'm going to get into my 5 off of 10 scenario. So this week the Post cereals, they're on sale for $1.99. My store isn't tagged, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to be picking up 2 cereals. You can pick any one, they're all $1.99, but I'm going to pick up these Cocoa Pebbles as well as these Captain Crunch. So 2 of them is going to total to $3.98. I don't have any coupons, but everything's still going to come out pretty good. Then I'm going to be picking up some Pringles. They are on sale 3 for $4, and I have a $1 off coupon, making them 3 for $3 or $1 each. And then to finish off this transaction, I'm going to be picking up 2 of the Dixie plates. They're on sale this week. Buy one, get one free. They're $3.99, so getting 2 at $3.99. And then there's a 75-cent coupon, dropping it down to $3.24 or about $1.62 each. So I'm going to be picking up 2 of these, and then this is going to complete my first transaction. So quick recap for my 5 off of 10 transaction. So before coupons, my total is going to be $11.97. So that 5 off of 10 coupon, the 75-cent for the Dixie plates, as well as the $1 for the Pringles, is going to drop my total down to $5.22 for 7 items, or about 74 cents each. Now, of course, you guys know I will be using points to lower my out-of-pocket. So I will be using 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5 for all you newbies. So I will only be paying the 22-cent plus tax. So this is a really good deal. Now it's time for me to move on into my next transaction. So for my next transaction, I will be using that 5 off of 15 coupon. So what I'm gonna do is, well, I was planning to do the Palmolive deal, pick up 2 of them priced at $1.99. They're on sale. When you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. But this store is completely out. There is a 50-cent coupon, which would have made my transaction 50 cents cheaper. But instead, I'm going to get the Fabuloso because they are on that same promotion. So the deal, if you're unaware, the deal is for Palmolive, Suavitel, as well as Fabuloso. They're on sale for $1.99, and when you buy 2, you get 2,000 points. So picking up 2 of them is going to total to $3.98. So I'm going to pay $3.98, get the 2,000 points back, making it $1.98 or 99 cents each. So I'm just picking up 2 of the Fabuloso. So next, I'm going to be picking up one of the all detergents. They're on sale this week for $2.99. Like I said, my store is not tagged, so don't be afraid to look at your ad, you guys. Then I'm going to move down here and then pick up the Snuggle fabric softener because they are also on sale for $2.99. So 2 of them is going to total out to $5.98. I do have a 3 off of 2 Snuggle and all coupon, which is going to drop it down to $2.98 or $1.48 each. And then to finish off this transaction, I'm going to be picking up 6 of the Renews-Its. They are priced at 89 cents this week. So I'm going to pick up 6 of them. That's going to total out to $5.34. I do have a 2 off of 6 Renews-It coupon, which is going to drop it down to $3.34. Then there's also a $2 ibotta rebate. So giving you back $2, making all 6 of these just $1.34 or 22 cents each. So this is a really, really good deal. Not to mention, you guys, we do have that bonus going on that cash splash bonus on Ibotta, where you redeem a certain amount of money and you get a certain amount of rebates and you get $10. And guys, it looks like they have some new scents, unless I've just been living under a rock, because I have never seen this scent, the scent swirls. I don't know, so I think I'm going to grab some of these as well. But yes, just pick any of these, the Renews-Its. You can pick and choose your favorite scents, and they will just come out to be 22 cents each. So here's a quick overview of transaction 2. Before coupons, my total comes out to $15.30. After that 5 off of 15, the 3 off of 2 Snuggle, as well as the 2 off of 6 Renews-It coupon comes off. It's going to drop my total down to just $5.30. I will be getting back to 2,000 points for the Fabuloso, as well as $2 for Ibotta, making this whole transaction just $1.30 for 10 items or 13 cents each. So you guys, this is a really, really good deal. And not to mention, this is all digital. So you guys, I am at Walgreens number 2. The first Walgreens didn't have anything I needed for my first transaction. So this Walgreens is literally 2 minutes down the street. No biggie. So I am here. I'm going to go in, do my last transaction, and then I'll debrief all 3 receipts when we get in the car to tell you guys how everything went and so on and so forth. So let's get into the... So with Walgreens coupons, usually the smallest coupon comes off first. So my next smallest coupon I have is the 25% off of 18. So that's the transaction I'm doing right now. So I'm doing that laundry deal once more. It's like a month-long deal where you buy 3 at $4.99 and you get the 4th one free. So what I'm going to do is pick up one of the Tide liquids as well as the Tide pot. So I'm gonna have to get another Tide liquid because this store is completely out of the Tide pods. But I do know that I'm gonna get one of the Downies because I have that $1 off coupon on the Downy as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let me see. I'm gonna pick up one of the Downies. This is the bigger bottle, the 51 ounce, I believe. And then I'm going to get another Tide liquid since I don't have any, since the store doesn't have any more pods. So I'm going to grab a Tide liquid. So I'm going to have 2 Tide liquids, and then I'm going to grab 2 of the Downy fabric softeners. And it doesn't have to be that same big bottle. It can also be the Downy Wrinkle Guard as well as these Downy fabric boosters. So I am going to pick up one of the Downy Wrinkle Guards because I absolutely love this stuff and it smells really good. And then to complete this transaction, I'm getting some oral care. So Walgreens this week actually has quite a few different oral care deals on Colgate as well as the Crest. Now, even though this deal isn't tagged, it's still going on. The Crest Pro Health, when it's priced at $2.99, and when you buy 2 you get 4,000 points. So I think that's what I'm going to do to complete this transaction. So I'm going to get 2 of them. It's going to total out to $5.98, and then I'm going to use a $5 register reward, dropping it down to 98 cents, get back 4,000 points. So it's going to be free plus $3.02 moneymaker. So now I'm just going to show you guys what I have for this last transaction. So for transaction 3, this is for that 25% off of 18. So before coupons, my total comes out to $20.95. Now, if they would have had the Tide Pods, I would have used this $2 off of Tide Pods coupon. But it's okay because I do have another register reward. So what the coupons I have is this $2 off Tide liquid coupon, as well as this $1 off of Downy. So after the 25%, which should be about $5.23, those 2 paper coupons, as well as I have 2 $5 register rewards from last week doing that Maybelline deal, it's going to drop my total to $5.72. I'm going to get back those 4,000 points for the Crest, making it $1.72 for 6 items, or about 28 cents each. Now it's time to just go check out. Okay, you guys, I'm back in the car. Now it's time to just debrief my receipts. A different coupon attached on transaction 3, but I'll get into it. So first, I'm going to talk about the 5 off of 10 purchase, the $10 purchase. So I got the 2 Dixie plates priced at $3.99, buy one get one free. The 3 Pringles priced at 3 for $4. And then the 2 cereals, the Captain Crunch and the Cocoa Pebbles, priced at $1.99 each. So that brought my total to $11.97. After the 5 off of 10 came off, the coupon for the Pringles and the Dixie plates, it brought my total down to $5.22. Of course, I used points, so I just paid the 22 cents plus tax. So I paid 38 cents. I paid 38 cents out of pocket. So that one went the way it was supposed to. Now the 5 off of 15. So for the 5 off 15, I did the Snuggle, the fabric softener, and the all detergent, both priced at $2.99. Remember, I had that 3 off of 2 coupon. I picked up 6 of the I picked up 6 of the Renews-Its at 89 cents each, which brought my total to $5.34, and I had that $2 coupon. And then I wanted the Palmolive, but they were out, so instead I picked up 2 of the Fabulosos priced at $1.99 each. And remember, they're buy 2 and get 2,000 points. So that brought my total to $15.30. So after the 5 off of 15, the $3 off of the Snuggle and All, and the $2 for the Renews-Its, it brought my total to $5.30. Of course, you guys know I use points, so I just paid the 30 cents plus tax, and then I have to redeem my receipt to Ibotta to get the $2 back. So I paid $5.30, getting back $2 from Ibotta plus the $2 for that Fabuloso deal, making my total $1.30 for how many items is that? For 10 items. So that is really good. And then the last transaction. So going in, I thought I was doing the 25 off of 18 purchase, but since I reached $20, the $6 off of 20 coupon came off, which is actually better because that's more money off than what I calculated. So I picked up 2 Tides and 2 of the Downies. 3 of them was priced at $4.99. 1 was free. Then the Crest deal is still going on all month, where they're $2.99, buy 2 get 4,000 points. So that brought my total to $20.95. So the 6 off of 20 coupon came off. Oh, it said I had a Crest coupon. Now this Crest coupon did not pop up in my account at all. So actually it came out $1 cheaper than I thought. Okay. And then the $2 for the Tide. Oh, okay, you guys, it's weird. It says $1 off of Crest, but I didn't have a $1 Crest coupon at all. I did give them the $1 off of the Downy, so I don't know why it rung up like that, but I don't know. But yeah, so the 6 off of 20, the $1 off of Downy, the $2 off of Tide, and then my 2 register rewards, which came out to $1.95 plus tax. It came to $3. I used $3,000 points, so I didn't pay anything out of pocket. So for $1.95, but I did get back the 4,000 points. I got back the 4,000 points, making this transaction free plus a $2.05 money maker. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button down below, as well as that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time that I upload a video. Again, happy Father's Day to all you wonderful fathers out there. What you do doesn't go unnoticed, and we thank you. Until next time, you guys, bye. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys how much everything costs for everything. So for everything that you see, I did pay $12.47. Of course, you guys know I use as many points as I could, but I got back 6,000 points as well as $2 from Ibotta, which is a total of $8, making everything that you see just $4.47 for 23 items, or about 19 cents each. Okay, you guys, now I'm going for real. Bye.